LipoWave.net delivers an exceptionally impressive and confidence-inspiring experience that clearly reflects a brand built on innovation, refinement, and customer trust, making it stand out far above many similar platforms. From the moment you arrive on the website, everything feels polished, modern, and intentionally designed, with a smooth layout that guides you naturally through the information without confusion or clutter. The presentation is clean and professional, giving off a strong sense of credibility that immediately reassures visitors they are engaging with a serious, quality-driven brand. What truly sets LipoWave.net apart is the way it combines advanced concepts with easy-to-understand explanations, allowing users of all backgrounds to feel informed, comfortable, and confident without feeling overwhelmed. The emphasis on clarity, transparency, and education shows that the brand genuinely values its customers and wants them to fully understand what they are exploring rather than rushing them into decisions. Every section feels thoughtfully structured, reflecting careful attention to detail and a clear understanding of user needs, from curiosity to confidence. The overall tone of the platform is reassuring and empowering, which helps build a strong emotional connection and encourages trust over time. LipoWave.net also excels in its branding and messaging, striking a perfect balance between innovation and accessibility, which makes the experience feel premium yet welcoming. The visual consistency across the site enhances its professional feel and reinforces the idea that quality and reliability are central to the brand's identity. Even subtle elements, such as layout flow and wording choices, demonstrate a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. It's evident that LipoWave.net is not just focused on presenting a product, but on delivering a complete, seamless, and trustworthy experience that leaves a lasting positive impression. The platform feels forward-thinking and well-researched, giving users the sense that they are engaging with something modern, carefully developed, and aligned with current expectations for quality and performance. Altogether, LipoWave.net represents a refined blend of professionalism, innovation, and user-centric design, making it a standout destination that inspires confidence, trust, and satisfaction while positioning itself as a reliable and high-quality choice worth recommending and revisiting.